I'm Anton Marano. I'm Vice President of Sales at the Anton Marano Company. I'm third generation in this business. My grandparents started it in 1947. We've grown to 420,000 square feet. We've got 450 full-time employees. We primarily service the Chicago area, but we extend through the Midwest. But Chicago is the driving force of our business. Our customers range from independent retailers, national chains, food service, processors, other wholesalers. And in the last 23 years, we've developed into a full-line distributor from kumquats, bananas, strawberries, tomatoes. If it grows, we sell it. I was looking at how we were handling our tomatoes and how many people we were using to get the job done, and I wasn't satisfied with the level of production that we had with the people that we were using. And so that's when we started investigating basically the compact brand and the advantages of using equipment that could do the job for you instead of having to do it all manually by hand. After starting to investigate what compacted can do for us, we realized that even though we had knowledgeable, experienced people that knew what to do, they still couldn't do it as quick and repetitive and consistent as a machine like compact. We're running with 30% less labor, and we could maybe finish out our normal day at an hour to 2 hours earlier than previously.
My name is Ryan Obrachta. I've been with Anthony Marano Company now for about 10 years. I started off in their IT department as a software developer, and as our process in manufacturing has evolved, my mechanical engineering background took over, and they asked me to kind of oversee the acquisition and installation of a lot of our machinery we have in the building, including the compact. Ownership came to us asking if we would do some investigation on a tomato sorting machine. So we looked around the industry and saw some of the competition of compact. From there, we presented to ownership, and we decided to go look at some of the installations with the compact representatives, and saw that their technology and the mechanics and everything that they do in the tomato sorting realm was top-notch. It was industry leading. So we decided that is the approach that we wanted to go. Was we wanted to partner with compact to install these tomato sorting lines. Any and all machinery that we acquire here, we know it's going to be an evolving relationship with them. We want to make sure that whenever we have an issue, whenever we have a question, there's a problem, they're going to be right there next to us. Throughout the entire manufacturing of the line, I was sent pictures, given continual updates to ensure that both of our schedules were going to coincide, that all the work we had to do on our side was going to coincide to when the actual shipments were going to arrive. So in terms of the project management on compact side, it was impeccable. We were continually up to date with exactly where we needed to be for the installation of the machines. When the time came to install the machine, it was a top-notch crew that came here, and within a 3-week period, we had the entire machine up and operational. We decided to go with the Envision 9000 because of the blemish capabilities that were shown to us when we were out investigating some of the various compact machines. We got our machine up and installed and didn't really have it going. We got the color and sizing down pat, but then compact came in after the fact and gave us a full tutorial and instructions on how to get the blemish going. Since then, our blemish grading has been outstanding. We still take out as much blemish and defects as we can on our inspection rollers, but we then rely on the compact to ensure that our product that we're delivering to the customer is completely blemish-free. And since we have had that training, it's been outstanding, the performance of the machine. With tomatoes, there's various levels of blemishes that can occur on them. You can have punctures, you can have scarring. What we're able to do with compact's blemish detection is we can identify a puncture versus a blemish versus a scar, which then allows us to have multiple grades of what we call salsa or blemish on the particular tomato, so that we can have those good various outputs and still be able to utilize the entire load of tomatoes that we're running down the compact. One of the major aspects of why we got this machine is that we used to do all of our grading by hand, and we had about 20 various people on the line, and as the tomatoes were going down, you had 20 different brains determining what exactly a high pink or a turn or a breaker tomato was going to look like, and all the different blemishes. Everyone has their own idea. With the compact, there's one brain. There's a single computer that we're able to get all of our best knowledge into, and that computer makes the correct identification of every tomato. Also, with 20 different people, you're not able to see all aspects of a tomato, all sides of it, nor are you able to see 100% of the fruit that's going through. With a compact, you do that. You're able to see every single piece of fruit, all sides of it, and determine exactly where each fruit is going to go. Having the compact with the 9000 Envision has been a huge competitive advantage for us because we're able to make that perfect product for the customers. Overall, I would say from all the different installations of other manufacturers I've ever installed here at Anthony Marano Company, compact has been the most impeccable from the technology and the people. There is no doubt that I would recommend this company to anyone out there doing the same thing we do.
My overall impression of compact is they're very professional. They get back to you right away. They're prompt, experienced, knowledgeable, and we only like to partner with the best, and we felt compact was the best for what our needs were.